It is actually the best hotel room you can get in this price.
Honey, 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 honey.
I spent my weekend at Country Inn Suites by Radisson. This property is located in Sahibabad. Before getting further into the video, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will never miss an update. Follow my Instagram handle, which is @QuickRecipes123. We have finally checked in and got our room key. So now we are heading to our room. This is the entrance door, and here is the MasterCard. As soon as you insert this card here, all the lights get switched on automatically. And here is the do not disturb button. If I just click the do not disturb button, no one will be able to disturb me. This is the please clean up button. Behind this door is washroom. I'll just give you a glimpse how the washroom looks here. That is the shower area. Not very impressive, but it looks quite fine. Wash basin. Some toiletries. Okay, no toiletries. But if you need anything, you can always call the housekeeping. Body lotion, hand towel, some glasses, face tissues, and this mirror, hair dryer, WC, और बस यहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं है. And yeah, this is the sliding door, and it is not even in the right condition. I mean, you can just not lock it, so be careful. और वार्डरोब के ठीक साइड में यू कैन कीप योर लगेज देयर. एंड हियर इज द वार्डरोब. और ये लॉन्ड्री की डेट लिस्ट है. हैंगर्स, सम एक्स्ट्रा पिलोज. दिस इज़ क्वाइट वियर्ड कि इनके एक्स्ट्रा पिलोज ऐसे अजीब से कलर के हैं. वाइट होते तो it would have been better, but never mind, because we have a lot of pillows on bed, so we don't need them anyway. और साइड में दूसरा वार्डरोब है. इधर है एक इलेक्ट्रिक सेफ. You can keep your valuables here, but I never use it because I just keep all my valuables in my handbag. ऊपर एक बास्केट है. This is for your laundry. आपको जो भी कपड़े देना है लॉन्ड्री में वो आप इस बास्केट में डाल सकते हैं. And here I have kept some of my stuff, so I'll not show this. ये वाला ड्रॉर empty है और नीचे मैंने अपने बैग रखे हुए हैं. And even this area is empty. Usually यहाँ पे आयरन बोर्ड होता है, बट यहाँ पे नहीं है. Although I do not need the iron board, but if you need that, you can ask from housekeeping, I guess. And this is the bed. It looks quite small when compared to the room size, but it is spacious, trust me. Mattress could have been soft, but ठीक है, बैक पेन नहीं होगा आपको overly soft mattress से. It is stiff and good for your health. Here is the side table and empty drawer. जो socket है, तो you can just charge your phone there. This is the QR code if you want to see the dining menu. There are some switch and socket, lamp, phone if you want to connect to the hotel staff, और ये रहा TV remote, water bottle, and here is some other stuff. Here is the sitting area and it looks really elegant. Also, this piece of furniture is beautiful. ये 2 पार्ट्स में है, आप इसका डिस्टेंस एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं अपने हिसाब से जहाँ भी आपको अपने पैर रखने हैं. आई प्रेफर दिस डिस्टेंस. और इसके ठीक पीछे एक बड़ा सा मिरर, उससे ये होटल रूम और ज़्यादा स्पेशियस लग रहा है. ऑलरेडी ये बहुत स्पेशियस है बट मिरर से रिफ्लेक्शन की वजह से और बड़ा लग रहा है. ये लाइट्स की काफ़ी कमी है, पीछे लैम्प जल रहा है बट इट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़. थैंक्स टू नेचुरल लाइटिंग काफ़ी अच्छे से वीडियो शूट हो पा रही है, वरना नहीं हो पाती. ऑल्सो दिस रूम इज़ वेरी गुड व्हेन कंपेयर टू द प्राइस, and I would say it is actually the best hotel room you can get in this price. There is just one drawback, that if you are a tourist or if you are traveling for business, then this property is located far away from the city center. But then you have the metro which connects the city center to this area. So if you are on a budget but you want to live at a good place, then you can totally book a room here and travel to city center by metro or by cab, because the properties located in the city center with the same facilities are way too much pricey. So this is actually the best option if you are on a budget. People usually ask me in the comment section that how much price do you pay for the hotel rooms. Then I would just suggest you that you must check and compare the hotel room prices on all the websites, because the prices keeps fluctuating according to the demand. And this is the TV unit right opposite to the bed. Here is the coffee station. I'll just show you यहाँ पे क्या क्या रखा हुआ है. Electric kettle, coffee mugs, teaspoons, some glasses, and here is some milk powder, sugar free, sugar, coffee, tea. I think this is black tea, and if you want green tea you can always get it from the housekeeping. Water bottle आप और भी मंगा सकते हो housekeeping से. By the way, this is the complimentary water bottle और ये भी complimentary है. There are no extra charges for using this. And these are the snacks. यहाँ पे मिनी बार में कुछ रखा नहीं था और काफ़ी जगह नहीं रखा होता. So it is a good idea if you carry your own snacks. Here I have got some Pringles pizza flavor because that is what I like. Let me know in the comment section below what are your favorite chips. And here are the vegan dark chocolate. These are by Embryona and they sell it under the name of Darzil, and they are totally plant based. You can get it from embryona.com. Trust me, they are so good. You will not regret buying these. Yes, here is the mini refrigerator. Let's see इसके अंदर क्या है. Oh, this is empty और इसके अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है. I think this is not even working. Anyways, let's move forward. और दूसरा शेल्फ इन्होंने पता नहीं क्यों लॉक कर रखा है, खुल ही नहीं रहा. Never mind. And here is the temperature controller. You can control the temperature from here. Right now I have set it to 21 degree Celsius. इधर से अप कर सकते हैं, इधर से डाउन कर सकते हैं. This is the study area and you can see table is quite spacious and chair is very comfortable. But one thing which is missing is the study lamp. It would have been better अगर यहाँ पे study lamp होता, but no worries. हमने कर्टेन साइड कर लिए हैं और बहुत अच्छी लाइट आ रही है. थैंकफुली सनी डे नहीं था आज. एंड या दिस इज़ अ नाइस कॉर्नर इफ़ यू वांट टू वर्क ऑन समथिंग और डू समथिंग, यू कैन डू इट. ऑल्सो दिस इज़ नॉट अ स्मोकिंग रूम, सो प्लीज़ डोंट स्मोक, वरना पेनल्टी लग जाती है. यूजुअली 2 रूम्स के रैक रेट की पेनल्टी लगती है. आई डोंट नो यहाँ पे क्या रूल्स है, but this is not the smoking room. And if you want a smoking room, you can always ask the hotel staff to give you one. Although I am not sure कि इस property पे smoking room मिलते हैं या नहीं मिलते, but this is definitely not the smoking room. कुछ मीठा खाने का मन कर रहा है एंड हियर आई हैव द दार्जिल वीगन चॉकलेट बाय एमडियोना. These are the dark chocolate and totally plant based. Here I have two flavors. One is roasted hazelnut one and the other is intense dark chocolate. So now I'll be trying some hazelnut chocolate. These are really good. You can actually cannot tell the difference between the regular chocolate and the vegan chocolate. If you are adapting to the plant-based diet, then you can definitely try this and you will not miss your favorite dessert, which is definitely chocolate. So good. This chocolate bar is 50 grams, which is not at all bad for 169 rupees. So try it guys, this is really good. View from my window is not really great this time. We had lunch at the 64/6, which is the multi-cuisine restaurant at this place.